First, open the xlogin page and enter the account and password to log in. Click to login. Click New Browser Profile. Enter a name. Click on Set Proxy Server. Enable Proxy Server. Choose SOX5 Proxy. Then open the PS5 client. Enter the abbreviation for the country name. Click to Start Proxy. Select an IP and right-click to select the port. Click on Port Forwarding List. Copy down. Go back to the xlogin page and paste it in. Click Test Proxy. Now the proxy is successful. Click Save. Select the right button to start the browser. Enter this URL to check the current IP address. Now the IP has been changed. Click the link below my video to register and use it.